Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm a real estate broker here in the Phoenix, Arizona area. Today I am doing a virtual tour for one of our new listings located at 4907 West Vernon Avenue in Phoenix. Zip code is 85037. This is a housing and urban development property. If you go to the HUDhomestore.gov and type in the address, you'll be able to find the listing there. But this home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1,300 square feet. It has no garage, but it has a nice parking pad where you can park your cars at. But let's take a look at the home. So there's the nice driveway there. There's a nice fence there in the front yard. Has some archways. It opens up to a living room area here. You have an eat-in dining area, a little breakfast bar, kitchen area. The kitchen's been updated. It's got newer cabinets, nice laminate countertop. Oh no, it's actually granite. Nice granite countertop. Does not come with any appliances. It does have a range hood here over where the stove would go. The storage area and where your water heater is, and your washer and dryer. There's another good sized room off of the storage area. And here's where the other rooms are. Here's the hallway bathroom. Got the bedroom, ceiling fan. There's the master off the front. Ceiling fan. Master bathroom. Closet. And here's your 4th bedroom here. Ceiling fan. Little closet off the side. And then let's go take a look at the backyard. So it has a little patio there. It's a good sized yard. A lot can be done with it. It's got a lot of potential. It's got an RV gate and storage. So this home has got lots of storage. So that is the end of the virtual tour. I hope you guys like the tour. If you like the information that I present on my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Also, if you want to reach out to me and contact me, all my contact information is under the More Information tab. Looking forward to hearing from you, and hopefully you'll watch the next video that I have. Thank you for watching.